Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're just going to be doing an update on the Discord and how it's going and what it all has to offer for you guys. Okay, so jump right into it. Okay, so here's the Discord called Timeless again. Right now we have about 17 members, which is awesome. It's only been 2 weeks, so good progress in that so far. So we have probably about 150 members right now in the Discord. Okay, so pretty active community, active chats. Okay, and we are live streaming every single morning. Okay, we are live streaming every morning. We are showing Bookmap, which is this. We're showing Polarity. We're showing we're giving trend regression suggestions, when to arm, when to not arm, things like that. Okay, but really we're just trying to develop you as a trader, right? We're trying to develop you as a trader and make you consistent. So on the live stream so far, this has been the first 2 weeks. So I'm trading relatively small right now, just one contract, as I'm trying to kind of work my way up. I haven't live streamed and traded before, so these are the first 2 weeks of profits with one ES contract. Okay, so pretty good. We're up about 1,500 in 2 weeks. And I know other people have been doing well. One of our members has been doing really well. Got yeah, a lot of people making good money in here so far. Okay, it's not specifically for Polarity, but we are giving trend and regression suggestions. We're really just making you a better trader. We're trying to make you a better trader. We got a 5-hour supply and demand course, which we use with Polarity. It's very key to use with Polarity. Got Polarity courses that will be coming out. We have private chat. We have an education session every single week. Just did our first one last week. Just a settings channel here. Take a look at our memberships tab when you join the Discord. Click this link right here to gain access to the live streams. Okay, bring you to this page. You can read about us. Okay, read about it here. We have live streams, as I said, streaming Bookmap, Polarity, supply and demand, giving trade recommendations. Okay, I'm not to the point right now where I'm telling you I'm entering here, I'm exiting here, because I do not want you guys to copy me. Okay, we have supply and demand course, as I said, daily updates. So we have a daily plan channel where I send out everything we're looking at for the morning, and then I also go on and live stream and explain everything. Again, private education sessions and, you know, active day trading community. So $50 a month. It's relatively cheap compared to the competitors. You can pay ahead if you want as well. Yeah, it's been good so far. It's been good. A lot of good stuff in here, and yeah, we've been live streaming every single day. So if you guys want to check us out, grab a membership. A lot of members have been doing great, and we're only going to go up from here. All right, so hopefully I see you guys in here. See you later.